Whether you realized it or not, you just used your frontal lobe when making the decision to watch our video. The frontal lobe is positioned at the frontmost region of the cerebral cortex. The frontal lobe is responsible for many functions of your body, including reasoning, motor functions, judgment, impulse control, memory, planning, higher order functions, language, social behavior, sexual behavior, emotions, and our personality.
Have you ever wondered why sometimes making decisions and judgment seems harder when you're a teenager? It's because your frontal lobe is one of the last parts of your brain to fully develop. In the teenage brain, the nerve cells that connect the frontal lobe with the rest of the brain do not contain as much myelin as the average adult brain. This lack of myelin causes inefficient communication between one part of the brain to the other, resulting in poor decision making, which is demonstrated behind us.
Oh, that must have hurt.
The frontal lobes are one of the most common areas of the brain to be damaged. This is because of their location in the frontmost region of the brain. When the frontal lobes are damaged, people have difficulty focusing and keeping attention. They can understand language but have difficulty speaking. They exhibit very limited facial expressions. Additional effects of the frontal lobe damage are reduced activity, especially spontaneous activity, a lack of drive, inability to plan ahead, and lack of concern.
Click here if you want to read our paper to learn more about the frontal lobe.
And click here if you want to go back to the menu and choose a new part of the brain to learn about.